is my Yamaha xj550 Maxim. Bought it for $900. I'm restoring it or trying to, kind of beefing up the motor a little bit. Dent in the gas tank is from when I hit a deer. That's where my knee was. So it's not in the best looking shape, but it's in very good running shape. I'm going to start it up for you. So far I've just put the motor back to pretty good working order. Had the carbs rebuilt, rejetted, K&M pod filters put on there, the air box removed, and let's start it up. It's a Yamaha, so it's cold-blooded, hard starting.